Hey guys, SciPod Pro here, and in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to bhop in Fortnite. Using my method, you'll always hit the bhop 100% of the time. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the one and only step to this tutorial is to add your scroll wheel as a secondary keybind for your jump. To do so, go to your settings, click the keybind section, and then select the second remap button for your jump. From here, either set your jump to scroll wheel up or scroll wheel down. Then, save your changes, and now you'll be able to land bhops using your scroll wheel. Now, the bhop will work in-game after you glide and land on the ground. So once you are about to land on the ground, move your scroll wheel in the direction you set it for the jump. This will result in a huge bhop that will always work. This will work after jumping out of the battle bus, using a launch pad, or flying out of a steamy stacks reactor. One thing that will make this process a lot easier is by having a free scroll wheel mouse. These are mice that have a mode which allow the scroll wheel to move freely. This will make it much easier and much more effortless to hit any bhop during the game. However, even without a free scroll wheel mouse, you should still be able to bhop consistently. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.